Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Let me show you why I love the Hoover Spotless Mini Spot Cleaner. We've got some chocolate syrup, ketchup, and some coffee. Now, a lot of it has to do with the type of solution you use. I do have the Hoover solution in the Hoover Spot Cleaner, but this works great for cleaning carpets. So a lot of it has to do with what you actually put on the stain. This is the new Mini from Hoover. I will be comparing it to the Bissell later, but let's just see how it's going to do on these stains. Simple to use, turn it on. Solution comes out under pressure. Let's do the coffee. It's doing a good job on the coffee. Now let's go to the ketchup. Good job on the coffee. Now the chocolate. It's got good suction power for how small it is. I'm spraying the nozzle. Again, I can spray while I scrub. Okay, it's very simple to clean up now. You're gonna take the nozzle off. Now we have to spray, you have to press this. It's gonna spray solution and it's gonna get redirected down the tube. So put it like this, turn it on. I like to let the hose, take the hose off and let it air dry for a minute. Now this thing is super small and portable. It did an excellent job on the actual stains. Again, a lot of that has to do with this Folex. I'll put a link to this in the show description notes, and you can find it on my website, justadadapproved.com. Very simple to use. Here's the dirty water tank. You're gonna take this over to the sink. I like that it opens up. We're gonna dump that out, and I can take a brush in there and clean it if I had to. I also like that this comes apart. Nope, it doesn't come apart. I was hoping, I'm so used to these coming apart. I don't know why this one doesn't, but it actually doesn't. So to clean this, I would have to get in there with a little brush and clean that. Now I do purchase these products with my own money, but I do use links. If you purchase this product off of my website or in the video, the product link's not going to cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. If you want to see my top spotless cleaners, check out justadadapproved.com. Up at the top, you'll see Dad's top picks. I review robot vacuum cleaners, wet dry floor mops, cordless vacuum cleaners. This is Home of the Honest Review. I do purchase the products with my own money, and I don't take sponsorships. I bring Dad's common sense testing to testing products. And that actually did a really, really good job. Second part of this video, I'm going to do the unboxing. So if you want to find out all the specs, how to take it all apart, how to clean it, that's going to be in the unboxing that follows. Unboxing on the Hoover Spotless Mini Spot Cleaner. Here's everything that comes in the box. There is a little bit of assembly. I'm going to show you how. 2 cleaning attachments. This is a max extraction tool. This is just a general purpose tool. We've got to put this and this on the machine. The power cord is 3-prong and it's 4 feet long. You get a little bit of Oxy fresh air portable spot cleaner solution. It does come with a hose, and the hose is 4 feet long. Power cord is 12 feet long. Sorry, this is 12 feet long. The hose assembly is 4 feet long. All right, let's put it together real quick. We got to slide this in from the top till it should click into place. Around back, it does have a built-in hose clean. Simple to operate, you simply just turn it on or off. Let's install the cord wrap. Slide it in, it should kind of click into place. This is permanently attached, this is permanently attached. Not much access on the bottom, but it does have a 3-point amp motor. 120 volts, 60 hertz. You're gonna get a bunch of air coming out of here. So I like that you can wrap the cord around this. This is for easy portability and storage. You're going to wrap the cord around, but let's take a look. There's no release button or anything. You just simply pull them away. So the dirty water tank, you just kind of just pull it away and then lift this lever up here. Empty all the dirty water out. We can get a brush in there and clean it. Kind of put it in an angle. Make sure it doesn't go above that line right there. The clean water tank, same thing. Just kind of grab the handle, pull it away. Now this has an easy fill it lays flat. You don't have to worry about it tipping over or something. So it lays down. You can fill it up, and then that's how you're gonna fill it up with water. Then you're gonna put from the water to solution. You're gonna fill it from water to solution. So fill it up with water first, then fill it up with solution from here to there. And put that back on. Make sure that's in, and just kind of like click it into place. Yeah, these kind of go up and out, not just straight in. You got to go kind of go up, tilt, up. Same with that. There's a hook here. So yeah, just up. A little tricky. Okay, let's take a look at this. When you spray this, solution and water are going to come out here. There's where your suction is. So you're going to spray, water will come out here. You got suction all the time. This does not come apart. I like it when they come apart so you can clean that area. So this is the max extraction tool. I think it's because you can get leverage. That's because it has such an arm, you can really press down maybe. And it has kind of a narrower spot, but you can still do the cleaning. You're just not no scrubbing action. That's just for extraction only. This is for scrubbing. Kind of a small bristle area. Now they want you to wrap it around, and it should store with the handle kind of like this. There is a cutout right here for this trigger, but it's pretty much like it just wants to go like that. But it'd be nice if it went like that. That way it would take up less room. Let's measure. All right, let's make sure the hose grip or the cord has a little grippy thing. I like to test these, make sure yeah, it works okay. Okay, left to right, about 10.5 inches, front to back, I'm sorry, front to back, or 26 centimeters. This is with the hose and everything attached. You're looking at about 14 inches or 36 centimeters. Now height, nothing's really affecting the height. 11.25 or 19 centimeters. It's very lightweight. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching. Now the best place to go to find these robot vacuum cleaner picks is justadadapproved.com. Up here in the top header, you're going to see best overall vacuums, best for pet hair, best under 1,000, best under 500, and best under 300. Let's check best overall. I don't give you 20 picks. I give you 5 of my top robot vacuum cleaners with the score, but I have all the information to back it up. If you want to read the full review, why did I pick the MOVA V50? Let's go see the full review. You can see the videos that I have right here to back it up. I have my 3-month real-world score test, my real-world testing results, cost to own, my robot specs that I think are important to robot vacuum cleaners, some quick buy it if, skip if, and then a simple review. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.